Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the sticker like video effect on CapCut PC. So select your video. I'm just going to select mask here, and I'm going to select circle, and I'm also going to place it here, for instance, and then I'm just going to move it here a little bit. I'm going to scale it down as well. Just adjust the mask so it's not, there you go. And then I'm just going to go to library, and I'm going to add in a white stock video. And I'm going to then select mask, and I'm going to select the circle one again. I'm just going to make a circle, and I'm just going to place it here. If it's too big, just scale it down a little bit. You can also go to canvas and go to style and add in like a background, maybe like a paper background or something. I don't know, it's up to you what you want to add. Maybe something like this. Then go to effects, then go to texture and add in like some textures, like this plastic one and like this fold one, and then like this one, and then like a print one. And adjust it, and then like select everything, right click, create compound clip, so it just stays on the video. Make sure you put the effect till the end, and that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!